First of all, we're helping to triple the treatment beds for people with Ebola, making sure we've got safe burial teams in place so that when people do die, we can, with dignity, nevertheless, help to make sure they get buried without infecting even more people. It's been one of the main reasons the disease has spread. Also then, of course, working in communities to try and treat people as early as possible. That stops the spread of this disease and hopefully saves some lives. And then finally doing training. One of the worst aspects of what's happened here in Sierra Leone is a breakdown of the healthcare systems. We've seen healthcare workers really on the front line and also being many of the people who've lost their lives. This training is key. We're seeing some of it happening behind us to make sure we can get the healthcare system back up and running so we can treat people, and so healthcare workers who are really on the front line of this and doing the most dangerous jobs are far less at risk, and hopefully with this sort of training should be able to save lives without putting their own at risk. I think it has been slow in terms of the international community understanding just how critical this spread of Ebola was. I think we can be proud of the work that the UK is doing. We've very much played a leading role here in Sierra Leone. The US has really led the effort in Liberia, France in Guinea. But it does require a more broader response from the international community. In the meantime, we're cracking on with making sure that we're getting the training that we need to get the healthcare workers in place. We're making sure we're able to bury people safely in the quantities, unfortunately, that are now needed. And then the treatment beds will triple the capacity to treat people that we've currently got here in Sierra Leone.